Hi, what are you making?
A house.
A house made of magnetic tiles?
Yep.
Yes, there you have it. Okay, come on Riker, let's join us. So, look at that. Amira is going to make a house made of magnetic tiles. So we have like 136 of magnetic tiles on that.
137.
And then we have another one so that they can build some more. Alright. And then another one will be like
100 plus 100.
another box contains 122 tiles. So they can make more
100
and more. Oh yeah, 136. So there you have it, guys. See, Amira is building. Come on, build more.
So I'm done with the build, and you see this. This is the entry, and when you go in here,
Okay.
there's a playroom,
Oh,
and
yes?
playroom.
Mhm.
And this is where and when
Alright.
you go into this cube, it will lead into 2 beds.
How many bedrooms?
2.
2 bedrooms. And
That's
then
1, 2, and then when you go in here, this is the kitchen. Then when you go over here, it's a balcony.
wow, so there's kitchen, there's balcony,
And here's
and
the
2
toy,
bedrooms.
and here's the toy room, which I
Oh,
haven't added.
there's a toy room.
Which I haven't added.
Oh, what about the
yet.
living room?
We have no living room.
You have no living room yet? Alright.
Here, there.
Oh, so that's the toy room on right here. Okay.
And then off to a tour, and then
Where's the living room?
here.
Alright, okay. Keep building.
Let's keep building and see what we can make.
Yes.
Let's add triangles to the build.
Is that your house?
Let's add triangles to the build so it can look like a castle.
Mm-hmm.
Build.
So your house is
building. Let's build.
building.
Let's building. Let's build all day and long. Building. And here is our cone. 29.
Roof? Is that roof? Yeah.
And some falls off too.
Oh, there you go.
Roof. Dada. Banana.
Mm.
Sometimes do that, but we should never give up.
You
We
should
can always fix it.
never give up because there's always way. Good job. Right on, baby. So there's a roof.
Just to make a wheel, I just made it just correct so you can see if I do it and you can do it too.
Yeah.
Remember to never give up, and if you like this build, make sure to like and subscribe if you like it.
Mm-hmm. Here you have it. More to go.
More to go means keep building.
Keep building and building.
We never give up on what we do.
Yeah.
And here's some more support.
More support right in there.
Get it? And get it. But that's still not enough support for us. And one more, which is this. So we can make. So if you mess up, don't worry because you can always do your best, just like that I did. So some keep falling off, and never give up.
Yes, okay. Tell our subscribers to don't forget to like and
Don't
subscribe.
forget to like and subscribe to our channel because I'm almost done. Dad,
Almost
did you know that-
done. Yeah, there you have it.
Woolly mammoth is not bigger than a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
What?
Did you know about a woolly mammoth?
All right, our subscribers, and
And
don't forget to like. Yeah, so Amira will keep building all that. So that's Amira's house.